Welcome to this video of the Learn to Code monthly series. Now this video is from an issue we had in the group by one of the students. He had tried the homework in video 3, and what he noticed was that he didn't get it correctly. So one thing about anything in life is you try and solve a problem once and then automate it. Once you have a vocal minority, they're really speaking for a large section of the class. It's just this person is bold enough to talk about the issues. So looking at this, I'm trying to execute it with Euclid's algorithm. We'll open it up here. It will ask us for the two numbers. We will test which one is larger. We will make the bigger number the first number, and that's what we mean by m. And we'll make the smaller number n. We'll set the remainder to whatever we get when m is taken to a modulus of n. We will set m to n and n to r. And our stopping condition is that if r is 0, the HCF is n. And then you see this step 8, this is where we loop and go back to step 5. Otherwise, the algorithm will stop. Now, what the student did here was, you see this already, and then you see this. So the easiest way to be a good programmer is to always follow good instructions, and the student didn't do that. Now, how do we get the remainder? The remainder is easily found. We'll say 1071 modulus 462, and that's what 147. So we come here, we say 147, and then we say step 2. Now the way it works, this comes here, so we say 462, and this comes here, this is 147. So the next thing we will do is we'll say, okay, so let's do this. We'll say 462 modulus 147, and that is 21. And we'll click it here. Next thing we'll do is 3. We'll say 147, and we'll say 21. And when we do that now, 147 modulus 21, and the answer is 0. So with that, our stopping condition is met, and the second number, our n, which the algorithm says is our HCF. Now, why I decided to create a video is because whenever you're teaching a class, and even this is from personal experience, it just says, do you understand? Everybody says yes until it's time for homework. And I believe the students were just bold enough to address an issue that was facing a lot of people in the class. So the student, thank you very much. This is how you learn. It's active learning. It's not you watching these videos and then looking. It's you getting involved, doing the homework like I say, because practice makes perfect. But you see, it's not practice for the sake of practice. It's perfect practice makes perfect. So thank you very much. This is not a video in the series, but it will be part of the playlist. We will go back to the creation of regular videos next. Thank you once again.